welcome to our post-game press conference. We are joined by our best player of the game, Gian Mamuyak, our winning coach, Coach Yang Giao. Gentlemen, congratulations. I'll start with you, Coach. The last time you made it to the semifinals back in 2018 Philippine Cup, you were still with NLEX. If you could just put into words how you feel about this win and going back to the semifinals.
Sabi ko sa mga players, actually yesterday in practice, I already told them, this is gonna be our championship game. No? Marami sa kanila hindi pa nakakatikim ng semifinals. Ako matagal na rin. No? So we felt that this could be a historic game for us. No? So excited sila. No? Excited din ako. Actually matagal na eh. No? But I guess masyado lang kaming swerte, no? Kulang yung token text. And then we started out well kanina. Maganda yung start namin. Mabuti na lang, malaki yung lamang namin. Kung maliit yung lamang namin, talo kami. No? So, ganun kagaling yung token text. They really played with a lot of class. No? Kahit na kulang-kulang sila, kahit na si Roger na injured pa nung huli. No? Kinayod talaga nila, kaso kinapos lang. No? I guess it's really the big lead. And to us, it's the pace of the game. No? So, alam namin, kukunti yung rotation nila, kulang sila. And we really like to play a fast-paced game, transition game. So, sa amin, natural naman namin laro yun. No? And if we can force them to run with us, na konti na nga sila, tingin namin, advantage namin yun. No? So, ang ganda pa ng laro ni Mamu. Alam naman natin, slasher talaga to. No? But he's really trying to add the three-point shot to his repertoire. So, yung biggest shot kanina, I think, was the three-point shot that he made. No? Kaya mayabang na rin to kasi may 3 points na raw siya. No? So, ayun. Also, I'm really happy we gave the fans a really nice game to watch. So, gusto natin yun sa PBA. Gusto natin matuwa yung mga fans eh. No? Kaya, kahit na kabadong-kabado na ako, sabi ko, natutuwa yung mga fans, magandang laro ito. No? So, I think we should give them more of those. Na hindi alam kung sino man nanalo, laban lang ng laban, bakbakan yung laban, ratratan ng ratratan. Those are the games that are enjoyable to watch. No? So, my hats off to Coach Chot and the TNT franchise. Akala ko nakabaon na sila eh. Pero bumangon sila sa hukay. Ang galing nila. Ang galing talaga nila. No?
Now, Coach, this series umabot hanggang Game 3. Gaano kalaki, kaimportante yung the way it unfolded, this series, for the experience, especially the younger guys in this team, lalo na next round, it's gonna be against San Miguel?
Ano lang, no? Actually, yung mga young guys namin, ang sinasabi ko lang sa kanila is, this is going to be a toughness test. No? We will see how tough we are in this situation. No? We will know our real character. Malalaman mo kung are you a big game player? No? Are you somebody na pag nagkadikdi ka na, mawawala ka na? No? So, at least, bata pa itong mga to, pero marunong ng lumaban. No? Yun ang sa akin na importante. So, imagine if they get a little bit more experience. Itong 7-game series na to, this is going to be our best learning experience. Kalaban mo pa yung San Miguel. No? So, kahit anong mangyari, panalo na kami rito eh. No? Walang mawawala sa amin. Madadagdagan pa yung kaalaman namin dito.
Now, thank you, Coach Mamu. First semifinals appearance ito. It's gonna be against San Miguel. Unang-una, if you could describe to us yung determinasyon at kagustuhan lalo nga ng mga kabatch mo dito sa Rain or Shine to make it to the next level.
Well, siguro part na rin yung gusto namin give back sa organization kasi matagal na hindi nakakapag-semis ang Rain or Shine. So ginusto talaga namin makarating sa semis. And again, sabi nga ni Coach Cheng, labanan na lang ng kung sino yung mas matapang, mas matigas. And buti na lang, kahit bata kaming team, lumaban naman kami. Kasi kung hindi, masisigawan kami ni Coach Cheng. Diba? So, ayun, great learning experience. The past few games was puro dikdikan eh. So, character building games, and buti na lang yung team namin kahit bata lumalaban and nagre-respond.